Hi everyone, my name is Jacqueline from the blog sincerelymissj.com and from the YouTube channel Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Welcome to my channel. So if you are a long-time subscriber and follower of this channel, this video might seem a bit different than what I usually do. I am usually behind the camera and you mostly only see my hands and hear my voice, but today I thought it would be fun to do a video where I am talking to you guys face to face. I'm extremely camera shy, but I really enjoy watching haul videos, specifically thrift haul videos, so I thought it'd be fun to do a thrift haul video today. So if you like what you see and you enjoy these videos and you like DIYs, home decor, and other fun things, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, and please hit the notification button to be notified about my next upcoming videos. So let's get started. So today I'm doing a thrift haul, and I absolutely love thrifting for home decor items. Number one, I do enjoy vintage and mid-century modern type of pieces. Number two, I really like to find really unique pieces that we don't necessarily see everywhere or in everyone's home. And number three, I love the price. I absolutely love that they are affordable and you can get some really cool things that you can't find anywhere. So that's kind of the main reason that I really like thrifting. Actually, there is a number four, and as a DIY crafter, I love to be able to take something that doesn't look that great and make it into a new treasure. And doing that is made easy by going to the thrift store and finding things that are budget friendly and turning them into things that could be more expensive than they are now that you've done your thrift flip. The great part is most people don't know that it what cost you cheaper to make, and you get our brand new product for a good price. So today I actually am doing a thrift haul, and these are some things that I found at the thrift store on a few occasions that I went to. So they're not in one go, but I think they're in about two goes. So I am super excited, guys, to share them with you today, and I really hope that you enjoy the items as much as I enjoy them as well. And I hope that you get inspired by the styling, how to style these items, and let's get started. So the first item, guys, I'm gonna be showing you is this vase. And this vase is, I'm not sure who it's by, but I really liked the texture of it. I really liked the color and the detail of it. And it was $3.99 or $2.99. And I've already washed and disinfected all the items. So that's what I would say is first wash, disinfect, and clean the items before you bring them into your home. And I just basically use this to display florals in it, and sometimes I may not put anything in it at all. So the other thing that the second item that I found at the thrift store that I absolutely love, guys, is this statue. And the reason why I really liked it is it just reminds me of a really nice, modern, contemporary item, and it was not a bad price. It was about $3.99. So I couldn't leave that behind. I actually forgot to take the sticker off after I cleaned it. But yeah, it was about $3.99, and it looks like it is a mother and a child, or some type of two people embracing themselves. I love the fact that it's black and that this can be displayed on a console table, a bookshelf, on your table. So it's very versatile, and it works really well with my home decor with it being black. And again, it was about $3.99. The next thing that I found was this horse, this cat. I'm not really sure what this is, but I really liked the wood finish, and I liked the fact that it had some texture on the wood and the coloring of the wood. I'm thinking of doing a little flip on this by drilling a hole in here and getting a black kind of stand so that it's like a statue on a stand. and just putting into a bookshelf or something, that would be really nice. And I believe this was $2.99 or $1.99. And yeah, so that is the next item that I bought. Now, the next item is basically nothing exciting, but it is a book. And I think one of the coolest or the easiest way to kind of be able to use books in your home decor is just by heading to a thrift store or heading to your dollar store. So Dollar Tree has really nice hardcover books that you can turn into linen books, or if you can find some really nice books with the inside covers that are really nice, that's an option as well. So I found this book at the thrift store, and the reason why I bought it is it's black and it had a really nice writing on it, just plain black, and I just use it to style my shelves and console tables and things like that. Books are just really helpful. Once you kind of know your color scheme, you can grab some books and style them. Okay guys, so the next two items I am super excited about. I did not expect to find them there. The first one, I literally just walked in and all of a sudden it was there and it was like calling my name and I had to have it. I normally never really used to enjoy the whole crystal, that kind of look. I never really paid attention to them, but now I feel like I absolutely love it. I want to invest in more crystals, more geodes, that kind of stuff, because I think they're so pretty and they are quite classic. And they are used in a lot of home decor styles that I enjoy. I realized that I absolutely love Urban Barn, I absolutely love Pottery Barn and Restoration Hardware, and especially with the Restoration Hardware, they like to use a lot of crystals and geodes, and I think I'm saying that right. So I was super thrilled. So enough about me talking, guys. You guys are like, kind of, can you get on with it? So let me show you this. Let me show you this. So guys, take a look at this. It is absolutely stunning. I love the color. I love just the way it looks, and I like how it's kind of looks like a bookend or something, because that's what I'm using it for. But it's really heavy. It's about 2 pounds because my arm is getting really tired, and I got this for like $12.99. And I know for a fact that's an amazing deal, because if you go to HomeSense and all these other stores, I'm telling you, I went to a store recently and the smallest one was about at least like $24.99. So this would have been like $30, $40, $50. So this was a pretty great find. Okay, and the last thing that I got on this thrift, that's in this thrift haul today, is one of my favorite items. I was ecstatic when I found it. I knew I wanted a crystal that looked like this. I had seen other YouTubers. One of them I'll mention below, but her name is I am Sharika B. If I mess that up, I'll put it in the bottom description box. I absolutely love watching her shop with the videos, and a lot of times she does show a lot of crystals. And so when I walked in the store and I saw it, I was just like I gotta get that, and hopefully, you know, is there any more around? Like, I was just like, wow, like, I can't believe I found that for $8. So I was thrilled. So let me show you what I'm blabbing about. It is this beautiful crystal that I know for a fact will go for at least, because it's pretty heavy, for at least $30 at Home Goods, HomeSense, $40. I got mine for $8, and it is a real beauty. Okay guys, so that is my thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I am hoping to get behind the camera a little bit more, or in front of the camera a little bit more. I will still be going ahead and doing my DIY, so please stay tuned for my next DIY that's coming up. If you have missed my previous DIY, I will link it in the corner here and in the bottom, the description box. They are really cute, clay beads that I made using dollar store air dry clay, but you can use any type of clay to make it, and I will link that below. And if you like what you saw, you enjoyed the video, you enjoyed DIYs, home decor, please guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment below which item in the haul was your favorite, or which way you enjoyed seeing how I styled the items. Did you enjoy me styling, this is a book, or would you have styled it differently? Let me know. Let's discuss this below in the comment box. Also guys, please find me on Instagram at sincerelymissj. I would love for you guys to connect with me there and tag me in your DIYs. I will hopefully be able to share them with my community. Also, if you want more details about anything or any of my DIYs, please head to my website at www.sincerelymissj.com. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye.